Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. Today's video is powerful because it combines two of the most important things in your life, your mind and your English. If you stay with me until the end, you will feel your mindset will shift. Your confidence will rise and your English learning journey will feel easier than ever before. Let's grow your mind. Let's grow your English. Let's grow you. Part 1. The mind that grows learners faster. Your English grows only as much as your mind grows. When your mindset is strong, you practice more. When your thinking is positive, your confidence increases. When your mind believes you can improve, your English naturally improves. The biggest mistake most learners make is waiting for the right time. But growth starts the moment you decide to grow. Part 2. Why daily practice changes everything. Daily practice doesn't mean studying for hours. It means touching English every single day, even if just for a few moments. For a few minutes, your brain learns best through small, repeated actions. When you practice a little every day, the mind gets stronger. And when the mind gets stronger, English feels easier. The important thing is not the time, it's the habit, it's the routine that shapes you. Part 3. Simple daily routine to grow mind plus English. Here's a routine you can follow. Morning routine. Start the day with one positive line about yourself. Think in English for 1 minute, just 1 minute. Afternoon routine. Listen to something in English during a break. Repeat one or two sentences you hear. Night routine. Reflect on your day in English for 1 minute. Appreciate yourself for staying consistent. These tiny steps may look small, but the mind grows through repetition, and a stronger mind means stronger English. Part 4. A relatable story. Let me share a story. A student named Ayush always felt shy speaking English. He avoided conversations, he doubted himself, but one day he decided, I will grow. Even if slowly, he started practicing 1 minute a day, thinking in English, repeating small lines, celebrating small wins. 1 minute became 5, 5 became 10, 10 became 20. After a few months, he realized something. His English wasn't the only thing that grew. His confidence changed. He stopped overthinking and started trusting himself. He didn't become fluent overnight. He became fluent through small daily growth, and that is the power he had too. Part 5. Guided practice. Now let's practice together. You don't need to memorize anything. Just follow along with me. Repeat the lines I say. Feel the words, feel the energy, feel the growth. Let your mind open, let your confidence rise, let your English flow naturally. Remember, every time you repeat, your mind becomes sharper. Every time you show up, your English becomes stronger. Part 6. Motivation. You have everything inside you to grow. Your mind is powerful. Your English is improving. Your journey is just beginning. Never underestimate small steps. Never doubt your ability. Never stop growing. If you felt this session helped you grow your mind and your English, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I choose to grow. This is Inspire, and I'm here with you every step of the way.